My name is Anand Shukla. I am from Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed BTech from United College of Engineering and Prayagraj in year 2023 batch. After completing BTech, I have joined Evision Technoserve and take a course in networking. After taking a course in networking, I have learned a lot of things which is useful to build a career. With this course, I got a job as a desktop support engineer, and I have learned too much things, and they guided me uh, how to work and how to grab a placement, grab a job. They guided me to so much. This place is very good place to build a career from starting to further to go ahead. By this institute, I have grabbed a job and working on as a desktop support engineer. They guided me much and they have good facility to give a knowledge. There are much educated teacher and much guidance I have taken from that from them and all of these things. So if you want to build a career, then you have to must join a vision and go ahead with your career where you want to go. Thank you and have a nice day.